हाय, वेलकम टू द गेम चेंजर्स। तो आज मंडे है एंड मंडे और थर्सडे को ऐसा प्लान है कि थोड़े से थिंग्स दैट आर गोइंग ऑन इन माय माइंड, अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ द ट्रेडिंग साइकोलॉजी, द ट्रेडिंग माइंडसेट, थोड़ा थोड़ा उसके ऊपर बात करेंगे। आफ्टर दैट वील गो ऑन विथ व्हाट आई ट्रेडेड, हाउ आई डिड इट एंड द एनालिसिस फॉर टुमारो और द रोड मैप दैट इज नीडेड to look at the market in a perspective which will be easier. So what I want to talk about first is something which is very underrated, but which is very, very important. That is called capital preservation. लोग समझते हैं कि आएंगे मार्केट में और पैसा बनाना शुरू करेंगे। मेरे हिसाब से सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है कि अगर आप 2 साल मार्केट में सिर्फ सरवाइव किए और कैपिटल आपका उधर के उधर रहा, दैट इज मोर देन इनफ। दैट मीन्स व्हाट? यू हैव लर्न्ड अ डिफेंसिव टेक्निक इन द मार्केट। दैट मीन्स यू आर नॉट लेटिंग द मार्केट टेक ऑल द मनी फ्रॉम यू। सो व्हाट इज इंपॉर्टेंट हियर is that being defensive, learning how. So let's put it in a cricketing perspective. When you start staying on the pitch for a longer duration, that is when the runs will automatically come. So that is what has to be done in order to take this as a very serious profession. People have to understand that surviving is the real key to success in the market. Once you survive in the market for a couple of years, I'm saying 2 years, what happens is, अरे उसके बाद पैसा बनाना थोड़ा easier हो जाता है, क्योंकि then it's just very small tweaks and everything that you need to do so that it can make your journey easier and profitable soon. So let's have a look at what I did today and the trades I took so that it will give you a clearer picture of what all is going in my mind. Let's have a look. So today was a trade where the overall trend of the market yesterday was in a downtrend. What I wanted to do was very clear. I wanted to short the market. So when I shorted below this low, my target was 1:2, which is with a stop loss of nearly 150 points. My target was a bit far away. It was near 49,800. So my target was not achieved. But then what happened was Bank Nifty, which is the instrument that I trade. I trade only in Bank Nifty. So what happened is Bank Nifty fell down, and when expecting a bigger target, but Bank Nifty started recovering. While on the other side, the overall market was falling only today. So only Bank Nifty didn't fall. So what I was trying to do was, once this fall happened, once another rally, what I did was, from 150 points of risk, I got my risk down to nearly 40 odd points. I got stopped out here. It was a loss making day. I made a little bit of loss, but isn't that fine? Why do I need to give my whole stop loss away if I can trail it down to a lesser stop? What happened here is, I lost less money than what I had planned. It will keep me fresher for the next day. So I planned something, I planned to short today. It didn't work out. It keeps me fresh for a newer trade tomorrow and to come back with a fresher mindset. Let's have a look at what the view for tomorrow can be. So tomorrow is an interesting day because if you have a look at Bank Nifty, it's become a Doji today, and I love Dojis. Dojis mean nothing has happened today. There has been no action. So why is it simple to trade a Doji? Is that you can either trade the breakdown, or the breakout. So what am I expecting for tomorrow? What I need the market to do is, I need the market to break this and make a move like this, then consolidate for a certain time, and then break out. If that happens, I would actually be willing to go long. The reason I would be willing to go long and a bit aggressively is because the overall market and bank nifty is diverging. मतलब क्या, बैंक निफ्टी कम गिरा है आज, मार्केट बहुत ज्यादा गिर चुका है, तो आई वुड बी लुकिंग टू बी अ लिटिल बिट एग्रेसिव व्हेन आई गो लो. व्हाट अबाउट इफ द मार्केट कंटिन्यूज टू फॉल? नाउ फॉर इट टू कंटिन्यूसली फॉल, it is important that this swing low needs to go. So when this swing low needs to go, so what needs to happen here for this swing low to go is that I would want price to come down here, make another pivot here, and then do a breakdown, and that is when I would trade. So when I am looking to trade at these breakouts or at these breakdowns, what happens is I am waiting for my setup. I am waiting for the market to do what I want it to do. When I wait for it and I have patience, most probably it can be rewarding. So I just follow my process and my strategy. And that is what a trader needs to come at. A trader doesn't need to follow anybody. They have to make their own mindset. They have to train their own mindset. They have to make their own strategies. And they have to focus on what they understand in the market. And with discipline, you can become a better trader. Thank you. Stay tuned for further updates where in the near future, I'm planning to share my trades. Obviously post market hours, because SEBI regulations के हिसाब से we can't share it live as we are not advisors. But what will happen is these trades will help you develop your own psychology.